Diabin. I am doing this month's unboxing loot crate, which is featuring a whole bunch of cybernetic stuff. Let's see what we got. Okay, looks like, let's see some Terminator stuff here. Let's see. This is cool. Terminator head. With new Terminator movie coming out, that makes sense. So I got a patch. Owl patch. I don't know what this is from, but it looks cool. See, button. Something technical. That's the Optimus Prime. Can't go wrong with Optimus Prime, so that's cool. Very nice. Very cool shirt. I will definitely be wearing that. I don't know what this is. Something else from the Terminator. Let's see. Take it out of the package. Oh, okay. Keychain, looks like. Something. I don't know. Well, it's heavy. Sounds interesting. So, yeah. There you go. That's that. Got a little bag. Probably to put all their stuff in. Cool storage bag. Got some electronic stuff going on. There's like a miniature comic book. Interview. Not bad. Looks like we got a mouse pad here. I don't know what that's from, but I like the way it looks. I'll definitely be using that. See, Battlestar Galactica. Let's see what this is. It's like some posters. Some Cylon target practice. That's cool. What else we got here? Stickers for Nerd Machine. Interesting. In the Loot Crate box. Don't know if this does anything, but it's got some Terminator stuff in it. I don't think anything else comes out of this. Oh, wait. Okay. So yeah, then when you fold it inside out, it'll be a Loot Crate Terminator box. Well, that's cool. So that is this month's Loot Crate. Looks like cybernetic, cyber stuff. Hope you enjoy, and remember to sign up and get your own.